Hello, and welcome once again to the Make Me a Millionaire show where you make me a millionaire. Okay, and this is the $1,000,000. That's what it looks like. I'm asking for the real $1,000,000. Of course, you already know that. And our tally after one day is $1.95. $1.95 came from Best Buy. I have without any explanation as to why, no gimmicks, no catches, no nothing. So we're up $1.95. So let's keep it going. The universe has shifted to send me $1,000,000, and the wheels are in motion, and we're up $1.95. So stay tuned. See what tally. Write your tallies on for yourselves. Now, write on your tally boards $1.95. It is a good start, and I'm very optimistic, and I know it's going to happen. And once again, look at the million. Think the million, be the million. I am the million. I will have $1,000,000. And until tomorrow, have a good day. Bye.